Yazi yangihlekisa i-comment yakho ngahleka bhugi likidi phansi insini. Uhlule ukuthatha u300 wenza into ekhombisa ukuthi ukhathalela impilo yakho kodwa uyakwazi ukuthatha u300 wenza into useless ngalendlela empilweni yakho. Go unto you. Yabona people they think things come for free in this world. La, umthetho uthi you can't keep the cake and the penny at the same time. You gotta lose one. That is the law. Uyayizwa lonto. You can't eat your cake and still have it. That is the law. You gotta lose something to gain something. That's how things work. It's either you pay with money or you pay with time. Ilapho nje indaba. So uyakwazi ukwenza izinto ezinye ezingeze kusize ngalutho. Hayi futhi ake ngiphume la khulume nabantu lethu are really serious. They want to fulfill their cosmic purpose in this world. Ngani yakwethu. Wena osuke wabhuka noma wena osuke wayibona i-chart lakho. I just want to share something with you. Nawe kongakakwenzi lokho still fine now. You can listen. Yini ezaqala umzalo wakho mekhulelwe wena. Yini yafika kuqala wena as a consciousness nomzimba wakho. I-answer ithi umzimba wakho wafika kuqala kunawe. Umzimba wakho wakhiwa 6 months wena wangena in the last trimester. The last 3 months wangena wena. So your body knows exactly what is right for you because umzimba wakhiwa ube compatible nawe wena ozongena as an operating system. Uyakwazi umzimba wakho. Ngalesi sikhathi ubingelelo changes akasha uthi ngenzeka noma yini noma inini noma kanjani kunoma ubani ngoba impilo ayisiyona into ucabanga ukuthi iyona. Possibilities are infinite in the universe. Your own consciousness is your own limitation. Kukude lapho esisuka khona futhi kukude lapho esiya khona. Beka phansi umoya ungatatazeli uyabona. Lalela ke ngani yakwethu. Yabona into yakhe kaqala, i-organ yakhe kaqala mangabe umuntu wesifazane ekhulelwe, it's a heart. Heart will develop, yes. Izo develop ngobani? The heart is the driver. Yayizwa lonto. Your body is the vehicle and your mind is the passenger. So your mind should remain a passenger because your mind is not the driver. If you are taking decision, you should not listen to your mind. Analyze with your mind. Make a logical reasoning with your mind, it's fine. But to pull the trigger, you should not consult the mind. Consult with your body, your internal authority. What does your body say? Does it feel right for you? Yabo? Because the mind may say, it makes sense on paper, but also your body doesn't allow it. It's not in alignment with the decision that you are about to take. So that is why ngithi umzimba wakhiwe kuqala une body intelligence. Ukhumbula ukuthi thina millions of years we were operating with the spleen, the bodily instinct that were allowing us to run away and to hide from our predators emahlathini kuma primitive environments. Besingenayo logical reasoning. Neocortex is something that was developed recently to reason and make a clear judgment as a human. Leyo into yamanje leyo. That is why ukwazi ukuthi uthuke uthuswe something all of a sudden bese iyabuya ingqondo yakho ukuthi hayibo yini lento engithusayo, I shouldn't be afraid of this. Yabo ngobani your emotional brain, your limbic system, lento sithiwa in reptilian brain kicks first before you even reason. Yabo makumele ubaleke nje la awuzusho ukuthi let me make a logical reasoning ukuthi ngabe lento ezayo, ngabe lesibhamu esiqhumayo siza kumina yini, ngabe khona umuntu enginenkinga na. Awuzukwenza lonto leyo makuqhuma isibhamu la, you run. Yes, because it's your body kicking first ukuthi this is what is correct for you to be safe, run. Mhlawumbe you realize usulapha ukuthi uthi hayibo ngibalekelani, what does this thing has to do? Angakabona ukuthi siqiniso bani isibhamu siqhuma kuphi isibhebeke ngaphi, angakabona nanokuthi isona. But already why? Because umzimba knows better what is right for you and will always guide you to fulfill your cosmic purpose in this world. Listen to your body. That is why I said, if I make a decision, a life-changing decision, I make sure ukuthi I listen to my body. Khona umunye okabuza ukuthi indaba ungelona imillionaire ngavela abona ukuthi yazini. Khona eminye imibuzo oyibona ukuthi kusekude emumva la kukude futhi naphambili. Yabo. Uyiphendula ithini into efana naleyo? Uyiphendula ithini ukuthi indaba what I'm talking about has to do with being a millionaire? First, because lo muntu kusamele ngimfundise ukuthi ungaba i-millionaire but uphile an unfulfilling life. That comes first. Alikho ibhakede elichitheka ngaphandle kodwa lingagcwele ngaphakathi. You have to be fulfilled first within, then yonke into will come outside. Yabo? So you are chasing the wrong thing. First, you are chasing the wrong thing. Stick with the process, baba. Ake ngiphume kulokho ukuze ngingaze ngithole sengidigressa from what I wanted to delineate and so articulate today. Angazi ukuthi umoya la ungiphethe kabi, but sizobona. Yabona ke umzimba wakho ke uxhumene nalento ekuthiwa i-super conscious. I-super conscious ake ngiqale la. Umzimba uyi-subconscious mind wona, yabo? I-subconscious mind ixhumene nani ne-super conscious mind. I-super conscious mind okuyini? Okuyi-divine intelligence. So the divine intelligence connects with your body, because you see your body is having all these systems running without your conscious awareness and conscious effort. Uyaxwayiza ngaphandle ukuthi be aware. Your digestive system, every system that is there in your body, your endocrine system, everything is running smoothly because of your of your subconscious, yabo? Subconscious mind, because the subconscious mind is linked to the superconscious, yabo? So umzimba ke uthembe, if kuukuthi i-authority yakho ithi wena uyi-sacral authority, it means you gonna feel it in here la ngasenkabeni yakho. You gonna feel the excitement there if something is right for you. If it's not right for you, you gonna feel la ukuthi it's like uyazidonsa. Don't force things to happen. Things hayi futhi angazi ukuba ngathi ngigradele i-chart ngoba ngishilo ngathi hambile lapha ya. Angazi ukuba ngathi ngigradele i-chart. Akubo ukuthi nje ngiyakuhighlightela ukuthi themba umzimba wakho. We are constantly guided. Uthemba umzimba wakho. Yazi umzimba wakho ngakutshela ukuthi njengamanje I feel so uncomfortable ukuba la. I think I need to go. But bese ingqondo yakho ithi yazi you know ukuthi bazothwetshela why are you going. Even if you move now bazosala begosipa. Just stay a little bit. Uzohamba masebe hamba. But your body will constantly say, I'm uncomfortable to be here. That is your internal authority telling you to move before something terrible happens. And if you stay, khona into eyenzekalayo usho ukuthi yazi ke kwathi ngihambe ukube ngihambile yazi ngaba ngikho la. Yayibona lonto. Izinto enjalo ke sikhuluma ngazo good people, because every time we are in the binary consciousness, it is either this or that. And how do you know ukuthi if I did not take this, what was going to happen? Or let me put this question this way. How do you know ukuthi ukube awuthathanga le ndlela wayithatha wathatha le enye, what was going to happen? Ungabe ulende kuphi? Going forward, how do you even know ukuthi le ndlela ozoyithatha uyeke le? Because quick if there's a quantum event that is happening, there are infinite possibilities, but when you only take that one, yabo? There are infinite possibilities, but when you gotta choose between this and that. And for anything that you choose, there's something that you did not choose. And that something that you did not choose, you don't even know what was going to happen. And that timeline goes. It doesn't stop, it goes. Uwena osewashona no wena oyimillionaire no wena ongasenawo ama-body organs no wena bonke bakhona ukuthi wena kuleyo timeline awubanga khona. Wena you decided to choose something else that's led you to here where you are right now, yabo? And going forward, we are still going to repeat the process. And the biggest question is, what do you consult before you make those decisions, yabo? Because uma ngabe you constantly make wrong decisions for yourself, surely it's not gonna end well. Because mhlampe wena umotivate ukuthi there is power, there is money, there is social status, you want to go up the social ladder. That's what your mind thinks. Ubani owakutshela ukuthi ukube wathatha lesa sinqumo ngabe namhlanje ushadile, kube wathatha lesa sinqumo ngabe namhlanje umphathi, kube wathatha lesa sinqumo ngabe namhlanje ukuphi? Ubani wakutshela? How do you know ukuthi even mhlampe kube wathatha lesa sinqumo wasithatha, yes ngabe ushadile, mhlampe futhi ngabe wabulawa khona lapho kulowo mshado? How do you know? Ngoba ushadanga, you are still alive. How do you know? You see, your mind does not know what is going to happen. Your mind only knows what happened, what is happening, but it has nothing to do, and it knows nothing about what might happen next. But it pretends as if it knows. Does your mind know ukuthi kuzokwenzakalani in the next 1 minute? It doesn't know, but it thinks it knows.